In this video, I will show you how you can set up a Stripe account, and I will be walking you through this process step by step so you know what to put in every single step. So the first thing we need to do is search for Stripe. From here, we need to go down, select Stripe official site. So stripe.com. You will now be on this page, and then we want to go to the top, click on sign in. And then if we haven't got an account, you can then click on create account. So this is the start of the process. So to create an account, you need to enter in an email, full name, password, and also your country. So once you've entered all this information, select create account. And then once we click on create account, the next step will now be to enter in our business name. So for example, How To Online. You can enter in a business website if you want to do this. So for me, I will just enter in my YouTube channel, click on continue. From here, you can select collect payments, recurring payments, embed payments for your sellers, or you can skip this option for now. So once you have created your account, there is many different options that you can go through here. So you've got a link to a checkout page, manually charge a customer, invoice a customer, use a pre-built payment form. You can also build a custom payment UI, but you'll be required to have code to be able to do this. And you can also charge customers in person by doing this on a card machine. So it's just that simple. That's how you can create a Stripe account. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.